Did you know millions of people around the world are already making money from their hobbies? What once started as a simple pastime is now transforming lives and opening up new opportunities for everyday people. Nearly 45% of working Americans have a side hustle, and for many, it all began with a passion project they love doing in their spare time. These side gigs are more than just extra cash. They're a way to express creativity and find fulfillment outside the 9-to-5 grind. Hobbies like knitting, baking, writing, and coaching are turning into real income streams, sometimes even blossoming into full-time careers. People are discovering that their unique skills and interests can be the foundation for something bigger. This isn't just a fantasy for a lucky few. It's a growing movement that's changing how we think about work and success. The activity you love, the one that makes you lose track of time, has real value, both for you and for others who appreciate your passion. The world craves authenticity, handcrafted goods, unique skills, and genuine passion. People are seeking out products and experiences that feel personal and meaningful. Your hobby is a powerful commodity in today's marketplace, where individuality and creativity are more valuable than ever before. The old idea that work has to be a grind? That's history. Today, people are finding ways to blend their passions with their professions. Now, work and play can blend beautifully, creating a life that feels more balanced and rewarding. Regular people, just like you, are taking chances on themselves, exploring their passions, and building new lives from the ground up. The journey from hobby to hustle starts with believing what you love matters. Every big change begins with a single step and a bit of courage. You don't need to be a business genius, just willing to take the first step, learn as you go, and embrace the process. Nearly half the workforce is already doing it, finding new ways to thrive and connect through their passions. They started small, learned as they went, made mistakes, and kept going. You can do the same. Growth comes with every new attempt. Your passion has the potential to change your life, open doors, and connect you with a community that values what you do. You're closer than you think to joining this movement. Why not you? The next success story could be yours. There's never been a better time to take control of your future and create something truly your own. Today you have more tools and opportunities than ever before to turn your passion into profit. The digital age has erased old barriers, no need for expensive storefronts, massive loans, or waiting for someone else's approval. From your living room, you can reach customers worldwide, sell jewelry to Japan, teach yoga to Australia, or share your art with someone in Paris, design for Brazil, consult for Canada, or inspire someone in South Africa, all from the comfort of your home. The global marketplace is open 24/7, waiting for your unique gifts and talents to make an impact. You don't need permission from publishers or record labels anymore. The gatekeepers are gone. You're the CEO of your own dream, the architect of your own success story. People crave products with a story, made with love and care, not just mass-produced goods. Your passion is your story, and that's your edge. It's what sets you apart in a crowded world. People invest in your journey, not just your product. They want to connect with the person behind the brand. The technology is here, the market is ready, and the world is waiting for your ideas to come alive. You don't need a business degree or to quit your day job. You can start small, learn as you go, and grow at your own pace. Start right now, with what you have. No fancy equipment or big investments required. The only question left is, what are you waiting for? The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Your time to shine is now. The world is ready for your light. Don't hold back. Don't let it pass you by. Take the leap and watch what you can achieve. If it's such a great time to start, what's stopping you? Let's talk about the big fears. Fear of failure is the #1 dream killer. What if no one buys or people laugh? But failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Everyone who's succeeded has failed. Often. Imposter syndrome is another monster. I'm not good enough, others are better. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle. You don't have to be the best, just a few steps ahead of those you want to help. Overwhelm is real. Websites, marketing, pricing, shipping. It can feel like too much, but everything is figure-outable. You don't need all the answers now. Just focus on the next small step. These fears are normal. Everyone feels them. Fear isn't a stop sign. It's a sign you're growing. Acknowledge the fear, then act anyway. You're stronger than your doubts. Don't let imaginary monsters hold you back. Take one small, brave step forward. The cure for overwhelm: simplicity. You don't need to build an empire overnight. Start small. Forget perfect logos or business plans. Test your idea simply. Treat it as an experiment. See if people want what you offer. Tell friends about your idea. Share your cookies at a gathering, or offer a service to someone you know. Get your passion into the real world, even on a tiny scale. Early feedback is gold. It helps you improve and builds confidence. Aim for your first sale, not your 100th. List one item online, or announce your service on social media. That first sale is proof your passion has value. Progress beats perfection. Each small step builds momentum. You don't need it all figured out. Just take the first imperfect step. What's the smallest action you can take today? Don't overthink it, just do it. That one action could start a whole new chapter. Begin now. We're lucky to have powerful online tools to launch and grow your passion project. These tools automate tasks, expand your reach, and make you look professional, even as a beginner. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for selling handmade goods, handling payments, and connecting you with buyers. For services, use Instagram or Facebook to showcase your work, or build a simple website with Squarespace or Wix. Canva lets you create stunning graphics, even with zero design experience. Email tools like MailChimp help you build a loyal audience. Apps like Trello or Google Calendar keep you organized and on track. These tools free up your energy for what matters: creating. Explore and play with them. You'll be amazed how much easier they make things. Start using them today to accelerate your journey. Your digital toolkit is your secret weapon. You can't build your dream alone. Connection is essential. Find your tribe, people who support, inspire, and challenge you. Connect with peers in your field. Join online groups, attend meetups, or participate in forums. These peers understand your journey and can offer advice, resources, and encouragement. Don't see them as competition, see them as collaborators. Learn from their successes and mistakes and share your own knowledge. Community accelerates your growth and saves you time. Just as important, connect with your future customers. Use social media to share your process and story. Let people see the real you. Listen to feedback, ask questions, and make your audience feel valued. Build genuine relationships, not just transactions. Loyal customers become your biggest advocates. Your tribe is your lifeline. Go find them. Community turns passion into momentum. Don't go it alone. Connection is your superpower. Your brand isn't just a logo, it's your promise and personality. In a crowded market, authenticity makes you stand out. Your story, values, and quirks are your brand's foundation. Get clear on what makes your approach unique. Maybe it's your materials, your message, or your style. Share your story, why you do, and what you stand for. Communicate your brand consistently. Use the same colors, fonts, and voice everywhere. Let your personality shine in everything you create. Be real, not perfect. Show the behind the scenes and the learning process. People connect with authenticity, not polish. Your story and passion are your greatest assets. Embrace them fully. Don't try to blend in. Be unforgettably you. That's how you build trust and recognition. Let the world see the real you. That's how you become unforgettable. Meet Sarah, a lawyer who loved baking artistic cookies on weekends. Friends raved about her cookies, but fear held her back from selling. One day, she posted her cookies on Instagram, offering to take a few holiday orders. She expected silence, but her inbox exploded with requests. That first step validated her idea. People wanted her cookies. She baked late into the night after work, making her first sales. The experience gave her confidence to keep going. She started a dedicated Instagram, improved her photos, and figured out pricing. A year later, she was so busy she left law to bake full-time. Now she runs her own kitchen with a small team. It all started with one small, imperfect action. Sarah's story proves you don't need a perfect plan. You just need the courage to start. Your passion can become your path. Take that first step. We've covered how turning your passion into profit is more possible than ever. The world is full of opportunities for creative minds and driven hearts. No matter your background or experience, there's a path for you to follow. We've tackled fears, shared strategies, and heard Sarah's inspiring story. Now it's your turn. Imagine what you could achieve if you took that first step today. Your passion is your power, your unique magic. It's what sets you apart and makes your journey special. In a world of conformity, your passion is your declaration. It's your way of saying, "This is who I am, and I'm proud of it." Don't hide it or apologize for it. Let your light shine, even if it feels scary at first. Your gift can bring joy to you and impact others. When you share your talents, you inspire those around you and create real change. Someone out there is waiting for what you offer. Your work could be exactly what they need to brighten their day or spark their own creativity. Give yourself permission to believe in your dream. Trust that you are worthy of success and happiness. The right time is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It rarely comes. Start where you are, with what you have. Don't wait for someone else to discover you. Discover yourself. Take ownership of your journey and celebrate your progress. Take one small action today. Post your work, tell a friend, try a new tool. Every step forward builds momentum. Action is the antidote to fear. The more you do, the more confident you'll become. Your story matters. Share it in the comments below. What lights you up? Your words could inspire someone else to begin. What hobby do you dream of growing? Let's inspire each other and build a community of creators. If you're ready, dive deeper into marketing. It's the bridge to your audience. Learning to share your work is just as important as creating it. The world needs your special gift. Don't hold back, now go for it and make your mark.